In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust white balance in Darktable. White balance is what keeps your grays and whites looking truly neutral, instead of drifting too warm or too cool because of the light in your scene. Fixing it removes color casts from tungsten bulbs, shade, fluorescent tubes, and everything in between. In modern Darktable workflows, many photographers rely on the color calibration module for the most accurate control, but the classic white balance module is still a fast, reliable way to make basic corrections. Here's how to use it clearly and confidently. In the darkroom view, open the white balance module. Start by picking a preset to get close. As shot uses the setting the camera recorded at capture and is often a sensible baseline. From Image Area lets you calculate a custom balance from your photo. Click the option and drag a rectangle over something that should be neutral gray or white. Aim for a mid-tone area without strong texture or colored light. Avoid bright specular highlights, saturated objects, and deep shadows because they can skew the reading. If you don't have a gray card in the frame, a clean white wall, clouds, or weathered pavement can work in a pinch. Camera reference is a neutral daylight target, D65, around 6500 Kelvin. It's useful as a consistent reference, though it may look too warm indoors or too cool in shade. User Modified appears when you take manual control and simply reflects your own settings. Once you've chosen a starting point, refine with the sliders. Temperature makes the image warmer as you move right and cooler as you move left. Use it to counter obvious blue or orange casts until whites and grays stop leaning one way or the other. Tint adds a green-magenta adjustment. If fluorescent lighting left things green, add a bit of magenta. If a sunset pushed too magenta, nudge toward green. Make small moves and judge by neutrals and skin tones. Behind the scenes, these controls change the red, green, and blue channel multipliers to bring the channels into balance. You'll get the most latitude with raw files. JPEGs can still improve, but with a narrower range. If your photo includes mixed lighting, pick a balance that favors your subject rather than the entire frame. When the neutrals look neutral and the overall mood matches the scene, you're done. That's the essentials of correcting color with the white balance module in Darktable.